Guys, have you ever looked up at the night sky and witnessed a streak of light with a glowing tail? That is a comet, a cosmic traveler with a story as old as the solar system itself. Today we will follow the incredible journey of a comet. So comets originate from two distant regions of our solar system: the Kuiper belt located beyond Neptune and the Oort cloud, a spherical shell of icy bodies on the outermost edge of the solar system. These regions are home to countless icy objects, remnants from the early solar system. Occasionally, a comet is nudged by gravitational pull of a nearby star or a planet. This disturbance sets it on a journey towards the Sun, where it becomes one of the most spectacular sights in the sky. As the comet approaches the Sun, its surface heats up, causing the ice to vaporize and release gas and dust. This creates a glowing coma around its nucleus and forms its iconic tail, which always points away from the Sun due to solar wind. Did you know that comets often have two tails? The dust tail, made of particles, curves gently due to comet's motion. The iron tail, made of charged particles, point directly away from Sun, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Throughout history, comets have inspired awe and fear. In ancient times, they were seen as omens of change or disaster. Today, they are cosmic messengers revealing secrets about early solar system. Missions like ESA Rosetta have given us an up-close look at comets. By studying their composition, scientists learn about the building blocks of planets and even the origins of water and organic molecules on Earth. After their dramatic appearance, most comets return to the outer solar system, continuing their orbit. Some, like Halley's Comet, are periodic, returning every few decades. Others might take thousands or even millions of years to complete their journey. So, the next time you see a comet, remember you are witnessing a traveler that has journeyed billions of miles to light up our sky. Comets remind us of the vastness and wonder of cosmic neighborhood. Stay curious and keep exploring the mysteries of our universe.